Welcome, travel enthusiasts, to our exciting video exploring the best places in the vibrant city of Lisbon. I'm thrilled to take you on a virtual journey through this enchanting Portuguese capital, where tradition meets modernity and history blends effortlessly with contemporary charm. Lisbon, known as the City of Seven Hills, is a treasure trove of stunning landscapes, warm Mediterranean weather, and a rich cultural tapestry. It's no wonder that it has become one of Europe's most sought-after travel destinations, captivating visitors from around the globe with its irresistible allure. So join us as we uncover the hidden gems, iconic landmarks, and local treasures that make Lisbon a true gem of Europe. Prepare to be captivated by its charm, indulged by its flavors, and inspired by its rich history. Welcome to our video about the best places in Lisbon, where every corner reveals a story waiting to be explored. So let's get started. Number 1. Belm Tower. Belm Tower is situated on the northern bank of the Tagus River in the Belm district of Lisbon, and it is one of the most iconic landmarks in the city. Belm Tower is a magnificent example of manual-line architecture, a Portuguese style characterized by intricate stone carvings, maritime motifs, and a fusion of Gothic, Moorish, and Renaissance elements. The tower features decorative turrets, balconies, and a beautiful facade adorned with sculptures and maritime symbols. Inside the tower, you can explore various levels, including the Governor's Hall, the King's Hall, the Chapel, and the Terrace. The rooms are decorated with ornate detailing, and you can enjoy panoramic views of the river and surrounding areas from the top. Belm Tower is a must-visit attraction in Lisbon, offering a glimpse into Portugal's rich maritime history and architectural splendor. Enjoy exploring the tower and immersing yourself in the captivating atmosphere of this historic site. Number 2. Gerons Monastery. The Gerons Monastery, also known as the Hieronymites Monastery located in Lisbon, Portugal. It is one of the most impressive examples of manual-line architecture, a style that flourished during the Portuguese Age of Discovery. The monastery is closely associated with Portugal's maritime exploration and has significant historical and cultural value. The architectural style is a blend of late Gothic and early Renaissance influences with intricate details, maritime motifs, and delicate stonework. Within the monastery complex, you'll find the Church of Santa Maria, which is an integral part of the overall structure. The Gerons Monastery is renowned for its stunning cloisters, which are considered a masterpiece of manual-line architecture. Within the monastery, there's an archaeological museum that houses artifacts from different periods of Portuguese history, including prehistoric, Roman, and medieval artifacts. While not part of the monastery itself, the nearby Belm Tower is another iconic monument you should visit. Number 3. Praia da Commercial. The Praia da Commercial, also known as Commerce Square, is a famous public square located in Lisbon, Portugal. It is one of the largest squares in Europe and a popular tourist attraction. Start your visit by walking through the magnificent Arco da Rua Augusta, a triumphal arch that serves as the gateway to the square. As you enter the square, you'll find the Terreiro do Passo, a vast open space lined with beautiful yellow buildings. Take a leisurely stroll along the square and admire the architecture. In the center of Praia da Commercial, you'll find a grand statue of King Justa on horseback. The statue is an important symbol of the square and the city. The Praia da Commercial offers a stunning view of the Tagus River. Take a walk along the promenade and enjoy the riverside atmosphere. Ribeira das Naus is a great spot to sit and watch the boats go by or take a pleasant stroll along the riverbank. If you're interested in beer, you can visit the Museu da Cerveja located near Praia da Commercial. Number 4. Vasco da Gama Bridge. The Vasco da Gama Bridge is a prominent landmark and an architectural marvel located in Lisbon, Portugal. It spans across the Tagus River and is one of the longest bridges in Europe. While the Vasco da Gama Bridge is primarily a transportation route connecting the eastern and western parts of Lisbon, it does offer an excellent opportunity for sightseeing and enjoying panoramic views of the city and the river. The bridge features a dedicated pedestrian path, allowing you to take a leisurely stroll while enjoying the scenic vistas. If you prefer a more active experience, you can rent a bicycle and ride along the designated cycling lane on the bridge. It's a fantastic way to explore the bridge and the surrounding areas. Consider taking a river cruise along the Tagus River to get a unique perspective of the bridge. Many tour operators offer sightseeing cruises that pass under the bridge, allowing you to see it from a different angle. Located near the eastern end of the bridge, Parque das Nações is a modern and vibrant neighborhood with various attractions. Number 5. Padrão dos Descobrimentos. The Padrão dos Descobrimentos, or Monument to the Discoveries, is a must-visit attraction in Lisbon, Portugal. This iconic monument celebrates the Portuguese age of discovery and pays homage to the explorers and navigators who played a significant role in the country's maritime history. The monument is an impressive structure designed in the shape of a caravel. It stands at around 52 meters, 170 feet, tall and features a massive stone compass rose at its base. The monument's facade is adorned with sculptures representing notable historical figures, including explorers, monarchs, artists, and scientists. Inside the monument, there is an exhibition space that provides visitors with an opportunity to learn about Portugal's exploration history through various displays, artifacts, and multimedia presentations. Additionally, you can take an elevator to the top of the monument, where a terrace offers panoramic views of the surrounding area, including the river, Belm Tower, and the Gerons Monastery. Number 6. Alfama. Alfama is a historic neighborhood located in Lisbon, Portugal. It is known for its narrow streets, traditional architecture, and charming atmosphere. Start your visit by exploring São Jorge Castle, a medieval fortress that offers stunning panoramic views of Lisbon. Located in the heart of Alfama, the Lisbon Cathedral is a magnificent Romanesque building dating back to the 12th century. Explore its interior, admire the beautiful stained glass windows, and visit the cloister. Miradoro da Senhora do Monte viewpoint provides one of the best views of Lisbon, including the Alfama district. Enjoy the breathtaking scenery and capture memorable photos of the city. Visit the Fado Museum to learn about the history and significance of Fado, and even catch a live performance if you're lucky. Take a ride on the iconic Tram 28, which passes through the narrow streets of Alfama. One of the best ways to explore Alfama is by simply wandering through its labyrinthine streets and alleyways. Alfama is home to numerous restaurants and cafes where you can savor traditional Portuguese dishes. Number 7. 25 de Abril Bridge. The 25 de Abril Bridge, also known as the Ponte 25 de Abril, is a famous landmark in Lisbon, Portugal. The bridge spans the Tagus River and connects the city of Lisbon to the municipality of Almada on the south bank. The bridge is best admired from different viewpoints. Some popular spots to enjoy its beauty. Miradoro da Senhora do Monte viewpoint offers a panoramic view of Lisbon, and you can see the bridge in the distance. Located in Almada, Ponto de Vista do Elevador Panorâmico da Boca do Vento viewpoint provides a stunning perspective of the bridge, the Tagus River, and the city of Lisbon. Situated along the riverfront in Lisbon, Ribeira das Naus Promenade allows you to enjoy the bridge from a different angle. Another excellent way to see the bridge up close is by taking a river cruise along the Tagus River. Visit the Christ, the king statue located on the south bank of the Tagus River near the bridge. Number 8. Sintra. Sintra is a picturesque town located in Portugal, known for its stunning natural scenery, historic architecture, and charming atmosphere. Pena Palace is a colorful and eclectic palace perched on a hilltop overlooking Sintra. It's one of the most iconic landmarks in Portugal, featuring a mix of Gothic, Renaissance, and Moorish architectural styles. Quinta da Regaleira Mystical Estate is famous for its unique architecture, lush gardens, and underground tunnels. Located near Pena Palace, the Moorish castle offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding area. Known as the Palácio Nacional de Sintra, this palace is located in the heart of Sintra's historic center. It showcases a blend of Gothic, Manueline, and Mudéjar architectural styles and is renowned for its stunning tilework. Montserrat Romantic Palace is surrounded by enchanting gardens and combines Gothic, Indian, and Moorish architectural elements. If you're interested in exploring the coastline, head to Cabo de Roca, which is the westernmost point of continental Europe. Number 9. Cabo de Roca. Cabo de Roca is located on the westernmost point of mainland Europe, about 40 kilometers west of Lisbon, and is a beautiful and picturesque location in Portugal that is worth visiting. It's a popular tourist destination due to its stunning coastal cliffs, rugged landscapes, and panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean. In addition to the natural beauty, Cabo de Roca has a visitor center where you can learn about the history, geology, and significance of the location. The center provides information about the area's flora and fauna, as well as its role in navigation throughout history. While visiting Cabo de Roca, be sure to take some time to explore the walking trails that lead along the cliffs. Overall, Cabo de Roca is a fantastic destination for nature lovers, photographers, and anyone looking to experience the beauty of the Portuguese coastline. Don't forget to bring your camera to capture the stunning views and create lasting memories of your visit. Number 10. Santa Justa Lift. The Santa Justa Lift is a popular attraction in Lisbon, Portugal. It's a historic elevator that connects the lower streets of Baixa with the higher neighborhood of Beira Alto. The elevator is known for its unique architectural style, combining elements of Gothic revival and Moorish revival. It stands at 45 meters, 147 feet, tall and is adorned with intricate filigree ironwork. At the top of the Santa Justa lift, there is an observation deck that provides stunning views of Lisbon's historic center.